Hey guys, it's Reagan, your local wheeler here at Wheeler Dealer in beautiful Boise, Idaho. Just wanted to show a beautiful Landcruiser that we just got in for consignment. It's a 1985. This FJ60 is in great condition, especially for the year. Typically what you'll find on these is a lot of rust on the rear quarter panels. You'll find rust on the floorboards. Lots of holes, rust on the frame. This one has very minimal rust, which I find. And we'll go over all of the details and everything down below, but just kind of wanted to show you what the condition looks like, how it runs, a little bit of the Carfax. Get in a lot of these older Toyotas, we definitely love them. So when we get in a beautiful Landcruiser like this, it's always exciting, especially one in this condition. This one has 185,000 miles. Four-wheel drive, of course. It's got the 4.2 inline 6. It's a 4-speed manual. Everything runs as it should. Decals and everything look really great on this. We will go over any rust. That's the worst of it right there. We'll go over any little scratches that we'll have, any dings. Overall, it's just in beautiful condition. Definitely better of what I've seen that's out there. Trim pieces and lights and everything are all intact here. I don't see any dents. Tires look brand new, and he's got original tires as well. Some original parts that he's including too. Go along the first piece here. So the back window piece, this is typical, typical rust spot. As you can see, there's one right there. In the grand scheme of things, it's not super bad. Another part that someone tried to repaint here is notated there. Bumper looks great. Lights are all intact back here and on the other side as well. Another small rust spot along here. We'll take a look at the frame and everything in a couple of minutes, but overall the paint looks really good. Like I stated earlier, I don't think it was the original paint. I can see a little bit of overspray in the insides of the door panels, and I'll show that as well. You guys will love the interior. The interior's gorgeous. So as you'll see, the door panels here and everything are all intact. All the plastics. We'll go over inside the door jambs and everything here in a second as well. Take a look at that interior. It's gorgeous. Dash is in perfect shape. It shifts as it should. It is noted that it does say 85,000 on the odometer. However, the Carfax says that the odometer could have been switched out while this was being fixed and rebuilt, which is common in these. But it should be about probably 180. If you take a look at the Carfax, I think it was like 171 a few years ago. So a good guess would be 180. And I can get that sent over to you if you just want to send me your email. You can PM me about that. Headliner looks great. What you're seeing right now is a reflection of the light, but yeah, headliner looks beautiful. Door panels on the back passenger look great as well. Carpet looks great. When I was taking a look underneath the car too, there wasn't any cancerous spots on the floor. These things are just super special. Back looks good. No rust along any of the clips, or the inside looks really great too on the inside door panels. And we'll go over, I'll do a separate video for all the, call it the nooks and crannies of this car. That'll be in video too, but yeah, just that little small area right there. If you're an enthusiast like I am, you'll know this one's got very minimal rust compared to a lot of the ones out here. The Northwest always brings fairly typical rust-free vehicles. There were 2 owners. Current one is in Idaho. We'll take a look at the roof here. Roof looks great. A little bit of clear coat paint peel here. But overall looks great. I'll go over all the areas where rust is usually present. We'll take a look at the under the hood. Everything sounds great. All the belts sound good. No smoke. A lot of work done on the front end. I'll put that in the specifications below there for you, but it was really well taken care of for sure. There's the VIN. All right, guys, if you have any other questions regarding this vehicle or anything that's in our inventory this week, our website is localwheeler.com. We are open Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. We are at 10250 West Fairview Avenue in beautiful Boise, Idaho. My name is Reagan. You can ask for me. I'm one of the owners. Thanks, guys.